So let's have a look through how our formulas are working here. So first thing I want to do is check my closing stock on hand is actually 27. And we can do that with the following. Opening stock plus purchases plus natural increase minus sold minus killed for rations minus deaths. Okay, so we've got that. We understand that. So what's our natural increase? Natural increase, the cost of an animal you hold as livestock that you acquired by natural increase is whichever of these you elect. Actual cost of the animal or cost prescribed by the regulations. So in this case we're using the cost prescribed by the regulations, and here we've got cattle, so we've got $20 per cow, and if we go 15 cows were born times 20, we get our 300. Or another way of looking at that is dividing our 300 by 15. So what's our next question? Our next question is to check our stock. And how do we get our stock? Our closing stock value is stock on hand at the end, which we've tested, times our average cost. And then now what we need to do is we just need to test and figure out how our average cost has been calculated. So we've got, so essentially what are those objects of cost? It's what we have on hand at the beginning of the period has a value. Our purchases have a value. So purchases are just simply given in this case, and I suppose we're just simply assuming that we bought them for essentially that divided by that. So probably $12.50 a head is what we must have paid for them, given that we've got a cost of 50 and we bought 4. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're arriving at this total of 300, as we know. So we've got a natural increase total 15 times 20, 300. Let's just move that out the way. And we're adding our opening stock, purchases, natural increase, so that all works. And then over here we've got our 25, we've got our 4, we've got our 15, and if we sum those up, we've got 44, and we then just simply divide that by that. We've got our average cost.